I just heard Dela said Smiles make a going viral. I mean, we don't know if we don't scam. We always think we're viral. We're not viral all the while.
We're popular.
Not viral.
Viral tends to have a little bit more thing about it, like it just sensational and everybody, which might not make it a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I know, I can't stop thinking about the stupid. I think you hold me already.
Oh, you see how that good?
No, I think you hold me already.
It's not cooked yet.
I think you hold me already. All right, so we're going viral, as Delia said. Let's take a look at some viral videos that's making the rounds on social media. The first one is, this is how a Jamaican eat a beef patty, as opposed to
a...
Thank you. Same thing. Let's watch this.
It must be Chad.
You know, it was funny because when he started, I'm going to let me and the other part. No, sir, that's such a Jamaican. But he got it right.
The only other thing missing is this.
Yeah. He got it right.
Very right.
The next one, Flower Girl explained a wedding to her dad. Is that what this one is? Let's see it.
You have to remember what weddings look like so that you can't talk to people, okay? You didn't throw flowers and you was not at a wedding. So Dad, you don't know what weddings look like. But now you're gonna know what weddings look like and you're gonna see us, and then you have to remember what weddings look like so that you can't talk to people, okay? You have to. What then else? And Dad, you can't call my name when I'm gonna be walking down the aisle. No one can call us because we're gonna be busy walking down the aisle. No one can call our names. Like, they can't call Jojo or Hope or Samuel. And
what if I just yell, Princess?
No, it's Dad. There's gonna be a bunch of people sitting, and then they're just gonna hear us. And they're gonna be like, why are you doing that? That was a dumb person. And they're not gonna think, you're a good daddy. And someone know but you're daddy if you're going where we go. Because then will know us. And Dad, you can't do that. You do not understand what at all. Okay? You don't understand that.
She's about 47.
Look here.
She's about 47 years old.
She understand weddings.
No, she's 47.
She said they're going to say, that's just a dumb person. They're not going to know you're a dad.
And they would just say, Dad?
Hey, this child knows that her father is going to call her name.
And you know, you see how she...
Dad.
Yeah, she's 47.
No, she knows her father got embarrassed her.
What's the next one?
The next one is the Cabs family. Malia sings all three Afro songs. Kwame Eugene, King Promise, and Afrobeat featuring King Promise.
Okay.
Daddy? I'm playing please.
No, mate, last time it was too loud.
Please, Daddy. In 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah, put it on then.
Okay.
Mally. Mally. Mally, can you get in the car, please?
I'm not finished yet.
What?
When the music hits,
No, you see our
You
father.
feel
Our
okay.
father does go so. As if he say, where me get you from?
him can't stay there. She enjoy herself. Hey, when the music hits her, and she goes, oh, like she said, music.
Anymore?
I tell them these children.
Anymore?
No.
All right, we're going to go
These
for a break.
children are older, way beyond
Yeah,
their years, man.
47 and 48. All right, going for a break. Soon come.